Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, that was a big surprise we got right after the market opening. In fact, thousands and thousands of traders lost their um, account capital, those who were holding sell position, because right after market opening, gold almost made a high of 2150. In some charts, you will see 214, 2145, 2147, but it almost made a high of 2150, and this move was completely unexpected. Overall, gold has been bullish for the last couple of days, and yes, we were also bullish, but the high of 2150 was completely unexpected. So if you look at the chart here, you can see gold went up right after the market opening, and market again showed immediate price rejection from above. And right now we can see that gold is standing at 2085. In a previous video, we discussed about the possibility of stop loss hunting around the resistance of 2080. In fact, we never discussed about the selling around 2080 because we were quite confident that as that level of 2080 has become very common, market will go for some SL hunting. Personally, I was thinking to go for a sell around 2110 because I was hoping that if market goes up, market will try to hunt down all stop losses around 2100, 2110, and then we will get a selling opportunity. But market making a high of 2150 was also unexpected for me as well. So this is a completely new territory. Okay, so nobody can predict the market what will happen. So my dear friends, you are the master of your own money. Respect your money, respect your capital. So do not gamble, because see, this is a level. Okay, nobody knows how the market will react. Yes, from our experience, we can try to understand or predict the market, but after all, this is a completely new territory for everyone. So capital protection should be your first priority right now, and do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. Do not listen to anyone blindly. Do not listen to me also blindly. After all, this is also a new zone for me. If we look at the economy calendar, we can see that today we have some news coming up. Okay, we have some news coming up on USD, but this is not at all important. So more or less, you can expect that technicals will be dominating the market, and mostly the market will be waiting for this week's NFP. So till NFP, we can expect a completely sideways market or a choppy market. If you look at the chart of dollar also DXY, then you can see that DXY is behaving like a typical Monday market. Okay, DXY has opened on a lower note. Only gold has shown extreme volatility. Okay, so here the high of let's say 2145 to 2150 is the resistance for the month here, and I don't think so gold will be breaking 2150 as of now. This should be working as the resistance. Okay, so what, this is the resistance not for this week. I think that this level will be working as resistance for the at least for next 10 to 20 days. And if we look at the data here, okay, if you look at the data here, you can see we have a good number of contracts standing at 2150. You can see we have an addition of 2800 contracts. Okay, usually we don't have much volume here, but addition of 2808 contracts at 2150 gives us the confidence that this should be the resistance for the month. Okay, so I don't think so that gold will be flying to 2200, no. 2150 should be the resistance for December month. And if we look at the current level here, then we can see that the level of 2100 is still present. If you have listened to me carefully, then we talked about the stop loss hunting around the resistance, and then we talked about market reversing from 2100. Okay, and we can see that after the stop loss hunting, market is trading below 2100. Okay, so it means that this call is still valid. So next time, especially today or tomorrow, if the volatility of the market is not very high, we can expect 2000 2100 to 2110 to act as the resistance level. So volatility of the market will be very, very important. During the US session, if you see a big green candle, then try to go with the trend of the market instead of looking for reversals. But as I said, that we have NFP coming up, and usually before a big event like NFP, market prefers to stay silent. If that happens, then you can expect that around 2000, 2100, market will face resistance and market will not be able to cross it. As a day trader, you can look for a sell position. But keep in mind, if you take a sell position, try to exit within the same day. Okay, if you're a swing trader, then try to go for buys right now, because gold buyers, okay, gold buyers always get an exit, but gold sellers do not get exit if their entry is wrong. Listen to me carefully, it's very important. If you're a gold buyer and if your entry is not right, at least you'll get an exit in some time. After a few weeks, after a few months, at least you'll get an exit if you have taken a buy. After all, supply and demand works here. But if you have taken a wrong selling position, then obviously you won't get, there is no guarantee that you will get an exit. So as a result, you need to be very careful with your sell positions. Right now, market is extremely bullish, but we can see that we have a good number of contracts standing at 2100, 2110. So as a result, if the volatility is low, we can expect a sell. And if you take a sell, if you see a sell or we see a sell, we can go for it, but we will try to exit within the same day. And if you already have a buy on gold, then voila, okay, enjoy the ride, okay, because further upside is very much possible. No need to exit. So my dear friends, you must be wondering right now, where should we go for buy? So if you already have a buy, no need to exit. Further upside is very much possible. And if you're looking for fresh position, then my dear friend, sadly, we don't have any exact level right now. See, I'm also a trader. Okay, from my limited knowledge, okay, I can see that we don't have any levels here. Yes, we do have some levels around 2040, 2050, but those levels are far away, and I don't think so market will come down to 2050 and give you the opportunity. In that case, the previous resistance of 208 or around 2080, you may get an opportunity, but we don't have a clear picture right now. Okay, so as a result, okay, if you have a buy, stick to it. If you're looking for fresh position, then wait for the market. Okay, wait for the market to give us a clear picture, and we don't have the clear picture right now. And as I said, 2150 or around 2150. Okay, we have a good number of sellers. So as a result, I don't think so market will be breaking 2150. Market wanted stop loss hunting. Market did the stop loss hunting, and more or less we can expect the market will be behaving like a normal market right now. And if market goes up, we can expect around 2100, 2110. Market will face some resistance and we can look for a sell. But yes, keeping in mind the supply and demand, okay, it's better to exit within the same day. Okay. And my dear friends, from day after tomorrow, the workshop is starting, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop that I conduct after every 3-4 months. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. So my dear friend, if you really like my work, if you really want to take your trading to the next level, then you can consider joining the workshop. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Everything is mentioned on the website. The link is in the description. You can see these are the topics that we will be discussing during the workshop. And this workshop is not for complete beginners. I have designed a workshop only for those people who have been struggling with the market for the last couple of months and years. You can see the next dates are 6, 7, 8 for Hindi classes. English classes will start from 11, 12 and 13th of December. Timing is mentioned here. The classes are conducted through Google Meet. Okay. So if you are wondering that if I miss the class, what will happen, then no need to worry. I record each and every session. And my dear friend, I have also mentioned my story here so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And you can see these are the benefits that you will be getting after joining the Pro Trader program or the workshop. Do not confuse Pro Trader program and the workshop. Both are same. The workshop is just a part of the Pro Trader program. So once you will join, okay, you will getting the regular market updates, analysis, and etc. etc. And the best part is the fees here. You can see it's only $15, rupees 1000 for 3 days workshop with 1 month support. These are the benefits. And yes, trading takes time. So if you're looking for guidance, personal sessions, You can also sign up for very affordable semi-annual or lifetime support here. Okay, so these are the payment methods. After the payment, just share the screenshot to this WhatsApp number or to the email here. I will add you to the group immediately. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. And again, I do not have any Telegram profile. These are scams going on in my name. So stay away. So these are scammers. I'm not in Telegram. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.